They were the one they've been checking my bed and today opened the Scoop 02K.
Alright, open it up.
I know what it looks like.
You know what it looks like?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I opened it.
You did?
Yeah, when you was looking.
When I wasn't looking?
Yeah. Are you gonna start watching me?
Yep.
Why?
Just need to take one out.
That controller, what the color's gonna be?
Yep.
It's gonna be black, green, white, and silver.
Okay.
See? Oh, it is red.
Oh, okay. Put the box. Oh no, take both boxes out because I think on the tongue it has two different labels on the tongue. All right.
Oh, you said it got two different.
Yep. So bring the other one out too. On the tongue should have a Puma and one 2K because I got these two.
Yeah.
See, look at the tongue. One has a Puma cat and one has a 2K, right? On the tongue.
Oh, this?
Yeah, that says 2K. What does the tongue on the other one say? The one in your hand. What does it say in your hand? Look at the tongue.
Good.
Oh, it has a Scoot logo. My bad. One says it has a Scoot logo, and then the other one has the 2K. Yep, see? All right. Go. All right, so let's take a look at the shoes. Now move it into the camera, buddy. All right, so it gives a 360 look. Okay, so let's go into the detail. Let's see what he said. Oh, okay, got the yellow line. You see how the yellow blends into the green? That's dope. That's a beautiful shoe. Look at the design on the, you see the design on there? On the black? Yep. And the silver. Let's see the bottom of the shoe. Okay.
Little Puma cat.
All right, turn it around so we can see it. All right, so let's see. Hey, where'd the cat go? Where'd the cat go? Oh, there, I see it down there. It's in white. Yeah, there we go. I stop moving the shoe, buddy. There we go. Now they can see the cat clearly. All right, and let's look at the tongue on that shoe. Okay, put both of them together so they can look at the tongue. See how this one has the Scoot logo, that one has 2K on it, and they both have the Puma cat right there. Dang, look at that design on there with the silver. It's a beautiful shoe. All right, give us one more 360.
With both of them?
Yep. Sit back, buddy. Scoot back. Give that look. Give it the rock look.
You don't know how to do it.
All right, show me how to do it.
That do it. You got it.
All right, show me how to do it. Do you smell what the fox is cooking?
They stop.
He's sleepy.
Thank you guys for checking on my bed. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye. Okay.